Hi, welcome to another Archy learning video. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at 5 ways to keep your students engaged and connected with your school. First up, you want to empathize with your students. One of the best qualities of any educator is being able to understand the place your student is in and how to approach and teach from that perspective. When you're looking at your course completion rates, try understanding what part of the content has caused them to drop off and look at improving it. Asking lots of questions and sending out surveys to your students can quickly help tweak and improve your course content. A quick way to see things from your student's perspective is to access your course from your student portal. This is easy with an Archy. When building your course curriculum, you can preview how the course looks and feels as you go. Then, if you want to get a real-world experience, simply go to your school website and try signing up for a course with a test email, for example. Be sure to take lots of notes on how everything looks and feels and adjust it as you go. Tip number 2, be upfront with how long your course will take. An important aspect of any online experience is knowing how long it will require your attention. The best way to approach this element of your course is to be clear and realistic right from the start. Your students will appreciate knowing, and you'll gain a greater understanding of how long students are willing to stick around. Up next, use gamification. Keeping things interesting is a key aspect to increasing student retention. Seeing a long curriculum before you begin studying can be demotivating and deter any potential student from even beginning. A key to breaking through this is to include elements of gamification such as milestones, quizzes, or even a video game unrelated to your course topic to give your students a break from learning. Archy's trophy case feature will also reward your students automatically as they spend more time learning. Now, if you found this video helpful so far, please take a second to give us that tasty thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for weekly videos. Tip number 4, create a community. As an online guide, coach, or teacher, making your content available is just one aspect of a successful learning experience. Creating a common place for your students to connect is a powerful yet often overlooked element of teaching. Creating a common space for your students to connect will help create accountability and encourage communication amongst your learners. A great place to create these groups is a private Facebook group, Discord account, or even a Slack channel. Last but certainly not least, make yourself available. Your students are coming to you for skills and knowledge, and it's important that you stay in touch with them and provide a personalized experience across the entire learning journey. This can sometimes feel like an overwhelming task, but there are some simple ways to connect with your students to keep them engaged. Use automated emails, for example. Seasonal events throughout the year make automated emails very easy, and for extra points, set up automated emails around your students' birthdays and sign-up dates. Including an incentive like a month free or a voucher code will sweeten the deal even further. Create a newsletter for your course. A weekly or even fortnightly newsletter that revolves around your content is quick to set up, schedule, and automate. Having bite-sized content from your course within your newsletter will not only keep you present, but will also remind students why they enrolled in your course in the first place. And that's our video for today. If you found any of these tips helpful, we'd love to hear more about your experience in the comments below. And for more information about online learning, head to archylearning.com.